In the ever-evolving world of gaming, Thunderobot continues to blaze a trail, capturing the hearts of gamers with innovative and high-performance hardware. Their latest offering, the Thunderobot Mix Mini Gaming PC, is no exception to their commitment to delivering cutting-edge gaming experiences. This diminutive powerhouse, reminiscent of a gaming console, promises to elevate the gaming experience to new heights. At the core of the Thunderobot Mix Mini Gaming PC lies an Intel Core i9-13900H processor, boasting an impressive 14 cores and 20 threads. Paired with this processor is the NVIDIA RTX 4070 graphics card, armed with 8 GB of GDDR6 memory. This formidable combination ensures that gamers can tackle the most demanding titles with ease, delivering stunning visuals and smooth gameplay. Gamers can further customize their experience by choosing between two configurations, when equipped with 16 GB of LPDDR5 RAM, or a more robust option with 32 GB. Storage options are equally flexible, with choices between a swift 512 GB or a capacious 1TB PCIe 4.0 SSD. This means that not only will games load quickly, but players can also store an extensive library of titles without breaking a sweat. One of the standout features of the Thunderobot Mix Mini Gaming PC is its sleek and compact appearance. With a footprint of just 1.7 liters, this gaming rig can fit seamlessly into any gaming setup, whether placed vertically or horizontally. This flexibility allows gamers to adapt the Mix Mini to their unique preferences and workspace. But the real star of the show is the innovative air cooling system that ensures that the Thunderobot Mix Mini runs optimally, even during the most intense gaming sessions. Featuring dual 5-volt high-pressure turbo fans, 5 copper heat pipes, and a whopping 129 ultra-thin fins, this cooling system is developed to dissipate heat efficiently, keeping the system cool and stable. In terms of connectivity, the Thunderobot Mix Mini Gaming PC is well equipped. It includes USB-C port that supports 100 watts reverse charging, which is incredibly convenient for charging mobile devices and accessories. Furthermore, the HDMI 2.1 port allows for 4K gaming at high refresh rates, while the RJ45 Ethernet port ensures low-latency online gaming for competitive enthusiasts. Starting at just 5,499 yuan or $750, this gaming marvel is set to redefine the price-performance ratio, making high-end gaming accessible to a broader audience. With the Thunderobot Mix Mini Gaming PC, Thunderobot continues to prove its dedication to providing gamers with top-tier gaming hardware. Its blend of power, style, and innovation is set to make it a sought-after addition to the gaming world, appealing to both seasoned gamers and newcomers alike. As Thunderobot expands its product lineup, it remains a brand to watch for those who demand the best from their gaming experiences. I'm always happy to chat with you in the comments below, so feel free to ask questions about this mini gaming PC. Have a nice day and good luck.